here today with Carol, and we're going to talk about the rider safety class. Now, Carol, what was your experience prior to having any class?
I had no background per se personally other than riding with my husband as a passenger on the map.
Okay, so...
And wanting to see what it was like to ride on it.
Okay, you describe the setting of the first class and your experience in it?
Sure. Well, I took one class, and there were approximately between 15 and 20 people in the class. There were only 2 other women, so I was a little bit outnumbered with the male population. The other thing was all of the gentlemen that were there had already had bikes, had already ridden, so I was at a little bit of a deficit with not having ridden before long. Anybody can ride up and down the street.
Right.
You need the proper guidance, you need the foundation to know how to ride safely, in order to do it safely, be out there.
Next class you took was more personable.
Very much so. It was a smaller class. There was a man and a lady, happened to be husband and wife. The man had 12 students in the class. So each person had 6 students to work with. Every maneuver they took you through, you went through the maneuver, they were at the end waiting for you and counsel you on what you were doing right, what you were doing wrong, what you could do better to do it again, that type of thing. You weren't pushed through. Everyone went at their own pace, and it was a very comfortable, well-learned experience.
What could you tell the ladies that are looking for a class? What would you tell them to ask or to investigate?
I would ask, number one, how large are the classes? How many instructors are at the class when it's given? How many women do they teach? Some classes teach very little, very few women in their class, and you're a little bit outnumbered and feel very intimidated by it. Will they do a one-on-one, that type of thing? And there are classes out there that are geared toward that. I found it.
And now you have your license.
Yes.
You just got a bike. Her husband surprised her with the same bike she fell in love with, and I'll be showing footage later on that reveal. And
You can do it.
You can do it. Thank you so much, Carol.
Somebody came over here and did something real nice for you.
Oh.
Stand right here.
Hi, co-conspirator.
So we make women happy, we make them cry. You never know. We make them happy so they cry.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful.
So you didn't have any idea?
You can tell.
No! Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Oh, thank you.
It's going
Oh, my feels good.
Here's your bell. You're welcome. Well, we're proud of you.
I never saw it coming. Never.
You did?
No, honest. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow.